So now we're going to be using Japanese paper in order to mend a tear. So I went ahead and put cereal paper underneath the tear. And now I am adding glue to both sides to this strip of Japanese paper. And now, for this mend, we're going to open up the tear, and we're going to place the Japanese paper both under and on top of the repair. And so now part of the repair is on top of the Japanese paper and part of it is on underneath. So I'm gonna add some more cereal paper. To the top of the repair, and then I'm just going to weigh it down. Once it dries, the mend should be repaired. So now we can open up the item and we can get rid of this excess